Students, I hope that you all are fine, and today I will explain the summary of the chapter The Fight. The chapter explanation already done. So here is a little bit summary about the chapter. In this chapter you will read that the story is about a fight, but more importantly this is the story of friendship. The friends in questions are 17-year-olds. One is Antonio and second is Felix. So both of whom dream of becoming boxing champions. One day they learn that they are going to fight each other in an upcoming match, and the winner will go on to the prestigious Golden Glove Championship Trophy tournament. Antonio and Felix were uneasy at this news because they have to fight with each other. What would it be like to fight with one's best friend? Can one fight with one's best friend? So one morning, after some hesitations, they discussed the matter and they decided that till the fight they will not meet to each other, and they decided to fight sincerely like strangers, and they decided to not meet till the match. And the match is an important event for the local communities. Both the fighters have plenty of followers. A huge number of people gather to watch the match. The audience is deeply involved in the match. Their response, like cheers, cries, and so on, punctuate the match through the 3 rounds and the many excitement moments. Antonio and Felix fight hard and fair. They also fight equally. Round 1, 2, and 3 all go by without any indications of who might be the final winner. Both of them are terrific. Both refuse to give in or give up. When the bell sounds at the end of the 3rd round, they are so engrossed in fighting that they cannot even hear it. They have to be pulled apart. When they realize the fight is over, they rush towards each other. Are they going to keep fighting till one of them collapses? No, they hug each other with renewed love and respect. The viewer, the audience, who have followed every moment of the match with great attentions, cheer with all their might. The announcer begins announcing the result, but the announcement remains incomplete, because before announcing the name of the winner, he turns to point at him and finds both the fighters gone. They left the arena together. So dear children, the summary of this chapter is the story emphasizes the beauty and the importance of sportsmanship and friendship over success and failure. At first the fighters are caught in a dilemma how to hit such a close fence as one would hit an opponent. But then they realize that it is important to fight sincerely. It need not affect their friendship. They remain true to their decision and fight with all they have got. They are so good, both of them, that is impossible to tell who may win. Finally, when the fight is over and the 2 boys realize how well each of them has fought and that they need not fight anymore, they rush to embrace. They know now that nothing can affect their friendship. They know that both of them are as admirable as champions. They do not need or care to know who won the match. They are completely satisfied with the fight itself, happy to be each other. Thus, the opening ending of the story, we do now who was declared the winner, also shows that the sports and the relationship are more important than winning or losing. So dear children, this is the summary of the chapter The Fight. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.